Hi everyone, this is Srini. I work as a product manager at Letznav, a budding startup in Hyderabad. Though I was given product management role, but I had no prior experience. I came to know about the weekend crash course on the LinkedIn. So I was very curious to understand. So in the weekend, the amount of topics which were covered in 2 days were exceptionally good. But I thoroughly enjoyed the two experts, Suman and the other lady who came in yesterday, and that was really a good insight into how real product managers work at large enterprises. And overall, the interactions I had with my peers were also very good. Some with very varied experience, they brought into the team. The diversity actually helped me to understand different perspectives of the same problem. And overall, it was a thumbs up from my side. Thank you all.